Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and you know I'm an audiophile. Got my Donner guitar right here. We're about to review a keyboard from the same company. Got the karaoke machine hidden behind us. We got the Rat Pack, some of the greatest musicians in history. Right behind us are John Lee Hooker photos, as well as Willie Nelson, Johnny Cash, and Jimi Hendrix. We got an entire music hall of fame down this way. The Blues Brothers, all sorts of things. You know I love music, and music quality, music sound, and audio sound. Guess what? I produce a lot of audio, I produce a lot of content. Audio sound matters to me. So that's why I trust the J1 gaming headset. This thing is absolutely great. I use it with my PC. I thought I would share it with you. We've got red and blue and red, if you will. Get a thumbnail here. Absolutely a great gaming headset, but also a great headset if you're doing podcasts, if you're talking, if you're doing web conferences, if you're in any kind of conference room meeting, anything like that. Well, guess what, folks? This is the solution for you. We're looking at great sensitivity. It's 112 plus or minus 3 decibels, frequency range of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, but the audio quality in terms of what you hear is going to blow away any of the little headphones, any of the little earbuds that you've been messing with. Absolutely fantastic.